prosecution continued with the questioning of their seventh witness, Wahyu Hanafi, in the trial involving the CHC leaders. DPP Tan Kiat Peng brought to court emails and documents regarding the Extron Ferna bonds. Hanafi said that Chew Eng Han had suggested the redemption of CHC Ferna bonds. Ferna bonds were later issued to Extron. To Wahyu, it was a matter of changing the lender and not an attempt at money laundering. However, he was mindful that the banks could take issue if monies came in and out of the bank accounts immediately. The prosecution tried to suggest that Ferna and Extron were shell companies used to issue so-called sham bonds for the purpose of moving church funds into the crossover project. In answer to the email trail brought up by the prosecution, Hanafi reiterated that he met up with Extron directors Chung Ka-Weng and Koh Siao Ni in person a few times to discuss the terms of the Extron Ferna bonds. He had personally negotiated for the bonds to carry a 4.5% interest instead of the initial 5.5% proposed by the Extron directors. Hanafi also gave evidence that the Extron Ferna bonds were eventually redeemed. He had taken a $22 million bank loan to redeem the bonds, which also allowed him some working capital for his businesses. Things heated up when DPP Tan grilled Hanafi on two personal guarantees he had signed. The prosecution sought to establish that the guarantees were signed in 2010 instead of 2007 as stated in the documents. The first personal guarantee was made out by Hanafi in favor of Extron. The second one was made out by Kong Hee, Tan Yiping, Chew and Koh in favor of Hanafi. Both guarantees were dated 15 August 2007. DPP Tan gave Hanafi a hypothetical scenario where he had to satisfy the personal guarantee of $13 million and asked what he would do. Hanafi stated that he would take responsibility since he signed for it. He would be prepared to liquidate assets such as his companies to raise the funds if necessary. The prosecution ended examination-in-chief with a series of BlackBerry messages between the accused and Hanafi, and email exchanges that addressed loans, repayment schedules, as well as the personal guarantees. DPP Tan tried to show that the accused persons, Chew and Serena Wee, were in control of the funds. Court will resume tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. with the defense counsel cross-examining Hanafi. Sandy Yeo for City News, Singapore.